Hello and welcome to the PC Security channel. This is just a really quick channel update to show you guys my new build, and this is going to be my main desktop from now on for producing videos and stuff, so I thought it might be cool to share it with you guys because you've been here with me a long time. So this is going to be based on the Intel Core i7. Let me just show you guys here. The 4790K, yes, this is the Devil's Canyon Z97 chipset processor. It's still the LGA 1150 socket, but things just got better. It's clocked at 4 GHz in stock, and it can go all the way up to 4.4 GHz just with turbo, even without an overclock. So this thing's just ridiculous. Beside the processor, I've got the Corsair VS650. It's at least 85% efficient, which is good. And it basically covers the wattage that I'll be needing for this build. So just a very basic power supply, nothing too special. Now, I'll be getting in one of the main features of this build, and that is going to be the Asus Strix GeForce GTX 970. Now this thing is really ridiculous because up to like 67 degrees this graphics card can run even with the fans turned off. Now that is just absolutely stunning for a graphics card of this kind of performance. Now it's overclocked out of the box. It comes at a boost clock of 1253 MHz, and it's got 4 gigs of VRAM. That's DDR5, obviously. I mean, that's expected at this kind of processor. That's the GTX 970, and as you can see, we've got the DirectCU2 DigiVRM, and you can obviously tweak it with GPU tweaks. So this is a really nice GFX from Asus. So these are the basic components. Now the only other component that I was unable to show you guys is the MSI Z97 motherboard that I've used. It's basically Z97i AC, and that's because my build is sitting on top of it right now. And there you go. This is my basic build, and it's running right now out of the box. It's not got a cover yet. I haven't purchased the case. I'm actually ordering it. It's going to be a Corsair 380T, most probably. This is a mini IDX motherboard. If you haven't noticed already, it's mini ATX form factor, and I'll be fitting it in a mini IDX case so that I can carry it around. It should be a lot easier. So because of the mini ITX form factor, we don't have a lot of expansion. So basically I've decided to go with a really high-end video card because there will be no SLI support. Now, beside the video card and the processor, which is basically hidden underneath that Intel fan that you're seeing, and then we've got the Kingston HyperX Fury. This is Kingston's 1866 megahertz clock memory. I have overclocked it up to like 2133 megahertz, and it still works great. So it's really good RAM. The latency on this right now is probably around 12 clocks, 12, 12, 12, and 30, I guess, which is pretty decent considering it's running at like 2133. So this is it. This is my basic build. I'm looking forward to working with this. Hopefully it'll be great for production and stuff. Looking forward to getting a lot of productivity out of this thing. So hope you guys enjoyed this quick little update. I'll see you guys in the next PC Security channel video. Stay informed, stay secure.